Hi everyone, this is Mr. Chubby Hubby. Several months ago I received a package from the rock shed that, well, let's just say got a little abused by the post office. Upon seeing the box, I immediately checked myself into the Calumet Calmative Institute. And I underwent their 6-week deep dive calmative therapy. So as I myself, a professional YouTuber, could present this box and unboxing without losing my temper. Let's see if it works, shall we? Did my immersive therapy at the Calmative Institute help? Abso-bleeping not, it didn't. Look at this bleeping mess. Can you bleeping believe this? Come on, post office, do better, bleepers. Sorry about that. I'd zoom in, but it's a pain in the buttski. But that is clearly a 5-pound bag of iolite. Yeah, this thing got beat up more ways than you can know, and I'm going to cut the top off here real quick because not only did they bleep up the outside of the box, but they managed to actually cut into the inner bags, which these bags are pretty tough, you guys know. So hopefully you can see all the loose rock in there. Isn't that something? Isn't that just lovely? Let me get these unboxed and we'll look at them. Alright, you can see there that they managed to rip or cut or whatever both the bags of iolite, but I'm looking at that pile thinking I might have lost a piece or two, but I don't think we're I don't think we lost any major weight. Alright peeps, first up we have some iolite, which is just giving me fits and starts trying to get it to focus. So, very pretty material. I was going to look up the hardness and I forgot. I assume it's a harder one, but very beautiful, very dark purple. This is a piece dry. So, get it wet for you. Yeah, that's hopefully that's coming through clearly. It's awful pretty stuff. Next, we have some Mozambique waterline agate, which is very pretty stuff. Very hard, very pretty stuff. Now there's the lines pop a little better on some of this when it's wet. So this has some really big lines. I'd call those bands actually. Those are a little bit too fat to be lines. And this piece, which has some very, very faint banding in it. Hopefully that'll pop through on the old camera. And lastly, we have some fluorite. Well, fluorite's just pretty. I thought being this is softer stuff, I might try to use some of this on my flat lap when I finally get it set up and going as, you know, some practice stuff, I guess. But very beautiful, very nice color inclusions in it. Wow, look at that. Look at that purple. Ooh, that's some pretty purple. Anyway, folks, that's it. I got 10 pounds of the iolite and 5 pounds each of the Mozambique waterline and the fluorite. And it took a minute to unbox it because, you know, had to go to that Calumet Calmative Institute, but didn't really help, but what the heck, it was a funny story anyway. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed these rocks. Thank you for watching.